Hello, today we got the Mazda cx-5. We'll be changing center console latch. It's right here. First off, you're gonna get a plastic tool and just work your way inside of here. It'll pop out. Just work your way around it, and this whole piece will come off. After you get this whole piece off, you're gonna take it and they sell the new latch piece. I guess the piece that breaks, the part that breaks is right here, that little tooth. I guess that it grabs here, then you undo the latch and it'll come up. But what we're going to do is tap this pin out, and the pin is going to come out, and then we're going to have a new piece inserted in there. I got the part number. Alright, stay tuned. So there's the flat side, and then there's the pointy side. Pointy side is over here. I just took my hammer and tapped it a little bit. And then I have a punch. It's going to punch it the rest of the way out. Alright, got the old one out, and I got the new one in. You can see the spring stays in there, and then whenever you go, gives you some tension. I just gotta tap it back with the hammer all the way flush. Doesn't take a lot, but it gets all the way flush now. It's pretty good. You got your pointy side sticking out, and that's in there. And I'll take it back to the car. Alright, back in the car, and it's simple. It just goes, you line it up, like to line it up down here at the bottom, and then just click it back in. Oh, it's a good clicks, good clicks. Once I get two hands on this, it's gonna click all the way. There we go. Yep, that's it. Now it latches. Thank you for watching.